Preparation how to make shorba halib. Helba or fenugreek, wash and then put in water little salt, nido powder, oats or shupang, and little sugar. In a clean water, put helba. In a clean water, put helba inside and wait to boil. While waiting to boil, put 3.5 tablespoon shufam or oats. 1, 2, 3, 4, half. 3.5 tablespoon and then wash it and then put water. After I wash one time and then put a little bit water. Now you see it's boiling now. It's already green because of the fenugreek or helba. Put outside the water or baramai. And then finish, put inside. And then after putting inside, mix. Low fire. While waiting to boil, put 1.5 pinjal nido or milk powder. 1, 2, shaya. Then add water to it, a little, not too much, enough. Mix it. Now it's boiling. Mix it. Then till the shufam or oats little bit cook. Don't forget to mix it so it will not flow outside. Okay. When you see that it's almost done or almost to finish, add milk. And then mix it. Wait to boil and then add sugar little and then salt to to be balanced the taste. Don't forget to stir sometimes or mix sometimes so it will not stick to the pan, so it will not burn down. After 1 or 2 minutes boiling, add little bit sugar. Sukar shwaya. Salt or milk shwaya. To be balanced the taste. You need to well balanced so it's not sweet, it's not also salty. And then after that, mix it. And so it, as I said, it will not stick to the pan or not burn. Then wait until it's a little bit sticky. After a few minutes of boiling, look. Same like that, and look for the taste. That's the finished product. Optional if you want to add curcum or turmeric, Arabic, or black pepper or felfel ashwat. It's optional if you want to add or no problem.